Prevent rectum disease and constipation relief. Since 2001, VOVO Corporation is dedicated to improve the quality of life for future generations by developing eco-friendly products. To achieve this goal, we have developed a smart bidet seat, VOVO STYLEMENT. VOVO bidet seat has 3 bidet functions: posterior wash, feminine wash and turbo wash. 5 adjustable water pressures with self-cleaning full stainless steel nozzle guarantees hygienic use. LED nightlight guides you in the dark. Easily control the bidet function with a remote control. Seat and seat cover with soft close function. You can choose the size of bidet seat according to your toilet type. It only requires 30 minutes to install the bidet seat. It is made with PP material which can be cleaned with detergent. So enjoy and always be comfortable with VOVO STYLEMENT.